The pelvic floor is a collection of muscles, and like any other muscles, the pelvic floor can be strengthened, it can be stretched, and it can be changed. There is no need to put up with a feeling of weakness in your pelvic area, nor any level of leakage, no matter what your age, no matter what your activity. At my pelvic floor repair workshop, you will find out what factors are most likely to be weakening your pelvic floor. You'll make some adaptations to your posture and to your breathing for optimal core strength and pelvic floor functionality. You'll learn why traditional pelvic floor contractions are probably not helping your pelvic floor. And you'll find out what to replace them with, a set of exercises that with daily practice will make a noticeable difference to your pelvic floor. Come to my next pelvic floor repair workshop to start your journey towards a pelvic floor that works as it should.